Hi, in this special wonderful video, I'm super excited and I'm going to show you guys how to create a Bulgarian PayPal account. I'll show you guys all the secrets step by step. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Welcome back. I'm Chido Original. This is the channel where future billionaires tune in to learn daily tips on how to make money online, how to invest in their money, and also make their money work for them in long term. So consider hitting that red subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside it so you'll be notified each time I drop great and awesome videos like this that's giving you guys information and power. So today's topic, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a PayPal account, and this is a Bulgarian PayPal account. If you come to the bottom, you can see Bulgarian flag, and then again you can come here on their URL. You can see paypal.com/bg. bg is for Bulgarian, that's the short form, /home. I will leave the link below so you can easily access this wonderful website. So once you click on the link on the description box, it will take you to this interface. Now, why is it Bulgarian account? You can see they have space for personal, they have space for business, they have partners and developers and all that. So it's full option. You are getting the full package of PayPal. If you are using Nigerian, you get all these whole benefit. So click on sign up on the top right corner real quick. You can see personal and business. I'm going to be using business account. Reason why is because I'm using this for business transaction. I receive a lot of funds on my business account. Personal is kind of limited in terms of funds you can receive. So I'll simply click on business and click on continue. Right, it's loading up, guys. Now they'll prompt you to put an email address, so I'm going to use this email address for the purpose of this tutorial. This is a random email address, chidooriginal3652222@gmail.com. So my official email is below in the description box. This is just a random email. So once you add the email address you want to use, and mind you, this is the email address you send to clients or whoever wants to send money to you on PayPal. This is the email, so make sure your email address represents you, so the client will get confused in sending money to you. So this is the email I want to use. Click on continue. They will prompt you to put a password, so make sure you use a strong password for this. So I don't want to use this password. This is a suggested password, so use a strong password. You can use uppercase and lowercase as well. So I can use a random figures there, right? Whatever you want to use, you can add numbers as well. So after that, just click. Right, so this is the next interface. You put your business contact, your first name, your legal first name, and your legal last name. So you can put, for me, let me just use this for the purpose of this tutorial. So make sure you use your legal name as it appears on your government issued ID card, like your international passport or your driver's license or your voter's card or whatever. So let me use this Chido Original. This is a random address for tutorial purposes alone. So I'm using Chido Original for this. Here on the business name, I can use Chido Original Enterprise. So I'll use Chido Original Enterprise for this. Right, just use your business name that you registered, maybe through CAC or wherever you registered it from. So I can simply use this, but you just have to have that business name, Enterprise Ventures and all that, PLC and what have you. Here the next interface is the number. Here they put a check mark. This is the name you want your customers to see. You can uncheck this if you don't want your customers to be seeing this business name. You can put the name you want your customers to be seeing, but I'll simply leave it here. See, under the business phone number, you can change to any country. That's the interesting part about this. So I can now come back to Nigeria. Let me scroll down to Nigeria and select Nigeria. As simple as that. Here they will prompt you to put my phone number. I can use this for the purpose of this tutorial. Let me use this phone number. Right, so this is a random phone number, right? So here they will prompt you to put your business address. So make sure you put your address that exists. Don't put a random address here. I prompt you to put an address that exists. These are some of the mistakes you guys have been making. So let me open up a new tab here and search for real Bulgarian address. So let me say real Bulgarian address. So it's already here, so click on it. You can select this. Have a lot of them here. Random address generator, a lot of Bulgarian addresses here. So simply click on one of them from Google. You can see the address, you can see the zip code and all that. So I'll simply click select this, copy this, come back to paper, paste it, right? So I can copy this. I think this is the city. I'll come here and paste it, right? Because they work backwards, they put their number first and all that. This how this Bulgarian paper works, or Bulgarian write code works. There's a way they write their figures, they write backwards, so keep that in mind as well. So close this. Then the zip code is same as postal code. I'll copy this zip code, come here, paste it as well. So you have gotten a real Bulgarian address. Here scroll down, kindly accept their terms and conditions. Like, go through this privacy policy. If you don't understand, go through it to understand more. Now they are giving me a red flag here. I think this is wrong. That's why I said you should make sure you get a real address. So I think this postal code is wrong, it doesn't belong to Bulgaria. So real Bulgarian postal code, I can use this. So make sure it's real. PayPal is now operating on country-based purpose, so they're using country-based to make countries know where you are from and all that. So I can simply use this 1110. So I'll come here and put 1110, right? So it's accepted. So make sure the postal code and address is a real one. I'm just using this for tutorial purposes. That's the way PayPal works. They actually check if the address exists. So come here, after that click on agree. Okay, so the next interface, they'll prompt you to put your business type. So describe your business. I'm an individual here. The products or services you put. Now pay close attention. Now put a digital service or products that you render. Don't put a physical product that requires shipping. They'll ban your account. So I might put games here, or I might put digital goods or whatever. I might put software, right? Computer software stores and all that, programming and all that. So I'll just use digital, but make sure it has to do with a software, something that people can ship online. I can see digital goods and all that, media and all that, ebooks, movies, etc. So here's your PayPal CC statement name. Which name do you want to appear on your CC statement? So I can use the one I used for the business. I can use Chido Enterprise here. So for the purpose of this enterprise, it has to be 11 characters and it can be alphanumeric, right? So whichever one that you want to use, you can simply use it here. So after that, simply click face. They'll ask you for your date of birth. Just they want to know more about you. I can simply put a random date here, 14. Under the month, select a month, put the year, but make sure you put your legal date of birth here. I'm just using this for the purpose of this tutorial. Now under nationality, leave it at Bulgaria. Now PayPal updated their policy. If you want to create an account using Bulgarian interface, it has to be also Bulgarian. It's country based. PayPal updated their policy on the country based. So this is an update. Make sure you are using Bulgarian here. If you are creating from South Africa, make sure the nationality is South Africa. If you are creating from Ghana, make sure the nationality is Ghana. So that's an update. So I'll simply leave it like that. Here is where you can change a different business physical home address here, which I encourage you to do. It makes you look more authentic. Many people don't work where their business is, right? If you put your home address as same as your business, it looks suspicious, but you can simply leave it there. That's why the option is there. If they don't allow it, they won't leave it there. You can simply leave it, but if you want to make your account more stronger, you can add a different address here. Simply go to Google like I did before earlier. Just come here, search for random address, get the postal code and add it here. I don't want to make this tutorial very long, so I won't do that. Here is where you put your business, your normal phone number, not your business. The first one was your business phone number. Here is your normal phone number. You can also check is the same as your business, so you are using the same phone number. Or you can change a different line here. Select any country, just like your business number. You can select your personal line here if it's different. Now another trick, if you want to make your account more stronger and last longer, you have to use a Bulgarian phone number, which you can buy online and all that, just to make it look authentic. You are from Bulgaria and you have a Bulgarian phone number and all that, right? So you can do that. I'm just giving you guys the secrets and hacks and all that free of charge, but for this, just to save time, I'll just use the same as my business. Now this is my official phone number. In case you want to contact me for business purposes, just hit me up so we can transact. So after you have done that, simply click on submit. All right, so just like that, our account is ready. So this is the interface of your account, but I just need some questions. I can go to the home page right now, but I just want to answer these few questions. First, what do you sell? I sell services. You can check multiple items here, but I just want to leave it simple as services, so I can easily get my funds in case of limitation. Here, what do you want to integrate your website to send invoice? Do you need link to request payments and all that? So these are the features that you want on your PayPal account. You can check all of them, or if you want any specific one, maybe you only want to use this PayPal for your website using the API, integrate your website to accept payments, you can only check this box. But if you want all of these whole options, you can check them as well. Like click on next. So here is where they will prompt you, what type of payment are you doing? Is it a single transaction or a recurring payment? I'll simply select both. It can be both or it can be one, depending. This is a personal preference stuff. So finally, what type of setup experience is best for you? Do you want to, solution that doesn't require coding, the solutions that tailor to your business? Let developers take of that. So whatever your own is, you can also check them here. So I'll just simply leave it here, a custom solution that you can tailor to your business, right? So I'll click on here right now. So you can set all these APIs and the other PayPal pay me link, create your PayPal pay me link. If you give anybody that link, they can simply direct them to pay you ASAP. It works fast. Get your unique link on PayPal link, pay me link. It works fast. You just give someone your link, they'll click on the link, they'll prompt them to add the money they want to pay, and within seconds I've paid you on PayPal. You can also integrate the API for invoicing, APIs for subscription and all that. If you don't know how to do that, you require a website developer, and if you need that, you can contact me. Again, my contact information is first thing below in the description box. So you can start that now, but I don't want to do that. You can start up all those setup. Now after creating your account, you can go back to your email address that I used to create the account. PayPal will send you an email to confirm your email address. So you can see here, confirm your email address. That's the first thing you want to do. Confirm your email. Once you confirm your email, you add a card to your account and all that. So if you want to fund your PayPal account, just hit me up. If you want to withdraw your PayPal funds, hit me up. My rate is the best rate out there. Now if you need other services, it's like passing below in your banner, like withdrawing your PayPal funds, funding your Skrill or Netel account, or maybe you want to do other transactions, just hit me up. We can transact, right? So hit me up. My contact information again is below in the description box. And that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on my next